Sanibona bafethu uVanelo, so I'm back again with iy'ndaba zakwe-Betway Premiership, but-ke ngizokhuluma nje nge-Orlando Pirates bafethu. Namhlanje-ke siyibonile iMamelodi Sundowns idlala against iPolokwane City. iMamelodi Sundowns iwine ngamagoli 3-0 basho ipenalty-ke bafethu iPolokwane City. Siyazi ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns ne-Orlando Pirates currently banga i-league, but-ke it looks like i-league-ke right now isisendala kwelinye iside, yabo, sisinda nje kwiside leMamelodi Sundowns. It looks like iMamelodi Sundowns isengayithatha i-league. Not ukuthi isengayithatha, izoyithatha ngalezi zinto esiyibonayo currently, because siyayibona ukuthi-ke i-Sundowns iyona ene-chance eningi, yabo. But-ke bayodlala ngoLwesithathu. I'm not saying anything, but-ke they are going to play against the mighty Amakhosi. I really like i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu-ke. I respect i-Kaizer Chiefs as a team because they know ukuthi-ke badlalelani, yabo. But-ke jokes aside, guys, jokes aside, we all know ukuthi-ke i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi-ke they have a chance ukuthi-ke bayivimbe iMamelodi Sundowns ingayiwini i-league. But I wouldn't say basengayivimba, yabo, because thina as i-Orlando Pirates besinaso sonke isikhathi kule season ukuthi siyivimbele thina iMamelodi Sundowns. So lana ngizokhuluma ngani na? Ngizokhuluma ngento i-Orlando Pirates elekha ngayo. Why thina as Orlando Pirates we always rely on other teams, yabo. So right now, yes, there is an opportunity for us to win the league. Ikhona ithuba lokuthi siyiwine i-league. Njalo ikhona nje ukuthi ithuba lokuthi siyiwine i-league. Why sizorely kakhulu kwi-Kaizer Chiefs? I know they are going to play against the TS Galaxy. TS Galaxy, I don't think i-team leyo bafethu abazoyiyeka nje. I think i-TS Galaxy bazoyishaya ngo-12-0. Currently, TS Galaxy, they are not playing very good. If you can check their last 10 games, I don't think Ikoni win in their last 10 games. They recently fired the coach. Yabo, point abayitholile, I think that was the draw. I think abayithole against the Marquis. Iyona draw abayitholile ngosikhathi ku-coach uBernard Parker. Yabo, na uParker uyazama mfethu. Wayi-striker. So njengoba nje eyi-striker, akukho okutheni, but uyazama as ucoach. So kumele bathole ucoach lapha ozokwazi-ke abasize. i-TS Galaxy right now bayimesi. So njengoba beyodlala nje against i-TS Galaxy, iMamelodi Sundowns on that last game, i-Sundowns isengenza i-history ishaya nala 24-0, yabo. This is the thing engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo. Why are we relying on other teams? Why? Yabo, uma thina as a team singase siyifunde lento ukuthi-ke each and every season siyazi ukuthi kunama games awu-2 esizowadlala against i-Sundowns. The first leg esiyoyidlala mhlambe le of TAS kumele senze sure ukuthi-ke sibuya nephuzu u1 point. The second leg esiyoyidlala eOrlando Stadium noma-ke e-FNB sibuye nawo 3 points because we are playing home. This season iMamelodi Sundowns sidlale nayo kabili. We played our first game le eLoftus. Njengoba sidlale le eLoftus, i-draw kube i-draw, yabo. Sabuya sayodlala e-FNB. iMamelodi Sundowns yabuya yashaya iMamelodi Sundowns, yabo. Akumele sibe nama-excuses. Ama-excuses awekho right now. iMamelodi Sundowns kule season ibingadlali kahle. There were games Orlando Pirates lapho khona ebekumele iwawine lawo ma-games, but-ke they opted to do the opposite. I-league akusiyona i-game, akusiyona i-tournament. It's something edlala unyaka wonke. Njengoba nje kuyinto edlala unyaka wonke, each and every game we approach kumele wenze sure ukuthi-ke we approach with the same mentality ukuthi uzoyiwina leyo game, yabo. So mina I'm very disappointed kule season le, but-ke I saw ukuthi-ke iMamelodi Sundowns is a team ongakwazi ukuthi uyiphushe ngempela, yabo. So I'm not that disappointed. But I had i-hope yokuthi-ke sisengakwazi ukuthi-ke siyiphushe iMamelodi Sundowns. Angiliphosi ithawula right now. Ningizwe kabi. Angakaliphosi ithawula. Anything can happen, but ngizodispute lento leyo ukuthi-ke le yokuthi hlezi sizodependela kwamanye ama-team. No guys, asiyeke leyo. Uma ufuna ukuwina i-league, you have to beat iMamelodi Sundowns. Iyona kuphela into okumele uyenze. If you want to win the league, you have to beat iMamelodi Sundowns. That's it. That's just it, yabo. Iloko nje engingakusho bafethu. But-ke wena ngokwakho, do you think sisanayo i-chance? Do you think i-Kaizer Chiefs izokwazi ukuthi ibandla isibambele as yabo omkhaya basibambe azi Kaizer Chiefs guys uma siwini Kaizer Chiefs ngizosho something ke la uma ngasiwini Kaizer Chiefs awudo into nje eyodwa yabona uma wasucomment lapho ngifa nje kunoxhaka uma Sundowns awuthi yeah futhi lento wazi izongifaka enkingeni uma Sundowns ishawe Kaizer Chiefs or idraw against Kaizer Chiefs ngizowenza noma yini eshiwo icomment yokuqala lapho ezoba nama likes amaningi yeah icomment ezoba nama likes amaningi ngizokwenza noma yini into yabona nje icomment ezocommentwa ibe nama likes amaningi I will do anything yabo so ngeke ngazi ke ukuthi nizokhomenta nithini but ke anything ubhale lapho kuma comment but I trust Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi izokwenza kahle against Mamelodi Sundowns because if you can look at ama games Sundowns asela kusiwona ama games amaningi yabo njengoba ngasiwona nje ama games amaningi ayadlala ayashesha and nathi siyadlala yabo igame elandelayo nathi siyodlala against Steelers ke bafethu akusiyona i-team elula last season we drew against Steelers ngo-0-0 sidlala le away khona e-Athlone Stadium so sisengathola the same results njengoba siyali yabo ngibonile uxoki bafethu bambamba inkunzi going to the game nje uyabona nje izinto yabo imude ngathi ayisekho right yabo I just hope uxoki ukuthi bambambile lo muntu lo ombamba inkunzi so yeah ngezwe ngani bafethu ke regarding le game leso idlala ukuthi ke do you think iPirates izothola u3 points and do you think isisanayo ichance ukuthi ke siyithathe iBetway Premiership njengoba nibona ke nje bafethu emva kwami wale camera iphumisa njengoba nibona nje emva kwami bafethu kukhona ijezi leDurban Seas njengoba nilibona nje leli jezi isifiso sami bekuthi ke ngiwathenge wonke amajezi akhona kuBetway Premiership kule season mara ke izoqala isizini elandelayo I think each and every team ekhona kuBetway Premiership ngizolithenga ijezi la khona each and every video engizoyishaya ngifuna kube nejezi elihlukile ezohlala khona la emva kwami ngisazoyishintsha le ndawo le yabo if you can hear me right now uzozwa ukuthi ke angikakabi nayo imic but ke into engisazoyilungisa leyo sikhulume nje kahle angijwayele ukuthi ngiwashaya ama video kanje if ngiwashaya ngisuke ngingekho busy yabo mangishaya lama video lawo using my phone ngisuke ngibusy ngempela kusuke kukhona mhlawumbe izinto ezingibambile yabo so right now today ngirelaxele nje so ngidecide ukuthi awuse ngihlale phansi ngikhulume nje nabalandeli yabo abantu abangifollowayo ama subscribers zami yabo ngiyayibonga kakhulu futhi support enginikeza yona yabo siku 23k right now 23k subs imagine 23k siya ku